Hey, what's up, y'all? So I wanted to give you a grand tour of the Disney Aulani 3-bedroom grand villa. This villa sleeps 12 people. You have two options. You can either do a standard view or a ocean view. It has a total of 3 bedrooms, 1 king bed, 4 queen beds, 1 queen size sleeper sofa, 1 twin size sleeper chair, and you can also squeeze in an infant. And so when you go there, you can actually ask for a tour at no additional cost, and someone is pretty much always there. And one of the reasons why I like coming here is, one, just to enhance my vision board. But what you can see here is that every bedroom has its own entrance to a huge balcony, and there are a lot of hallways. There is also multiple entrances. So just in case, let's just say there's adults and kids, the kids can come in one way, or maybe teenagers, and then the parents can come in through the other. Look at this balcony. It's probably equivalent to the whole side of the ocean view front from Aulani. Now, they do have a bigger kitchen with a full-size kitchen, a full-size living room that's a lot bigger than the 2-bedroom villas. But one of the reasons why I like this villa is because they also have the dining room area where you can host, I'm going to say, a mini little party. Let's just say if you're going there for someone's birthday. The master bedroom suite is a lot bigger. They have a separate shower, a jet ski tub, and then they also have a king size bed with the, I call it the peekaboo window, to look from the tub into the bedroom. And then they also have their separate entrance to the balcony as well. And so they have a washer and dryer inside of the unit. And then what you're looking at right now is the additional entrance, but I cannot get over this view. Right next door, you can see the resort. Next door, you can see the other towers. You can pretty much see the whole resort from every single window. And what you see now is me walking down the hallway to actually show you what it's like to go into the resort.